How's it going? Today I want to talk about this smoker for your cocktail drinks. So this smoker is going to have different wood chips and it's very simple to use. So this is the main device right here. This is going to be what holds the wood chips. It's also going to provide that smoke to your drink. It looks like a little cylindrical kind of capsule right here. It's got a locking mechanism, so you would turn this to unlock it. And as you can see here, it's got a little bowl, and that's where you're going to put the wood chips, and this is going to ignite and create all that smoke. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put this actually right on your glass. So this little bottom part here is going to go right on the drinking glass, the one you want to infuse with smoke. Now we have a couple different wood chips to choose from. We have pear, we have apple, cherry, oak, peach, and walnut. In addition to that, we have a little spoon, so you can go ahead and carefully grab a few wood chips and put them into the bowl here. You also have a USB-C to USB, and that's going to charge this device. It's nice that you don't have to worry about having any type of direct flame. You can just go ahead and use this electronic smoker to get the smoke infused into your drink. So I'm going to go with cherry because I have a clear drink today. So we're going to go with this cherry wood chips. Go ahead and twist this off. It may be packed pretty full. Okay. We're going to grab our spoon here. And I'm not going to put a whole lot. I'm going to just put, like maybe 1 or 2 scoops. Now that we got the wood chips in, we're going to go ahead and put this back in place. All right, we're going to go ahead and press the power button again to ignite it. As you can see, it's filling up with smoke, so you did have to have a little more wood chips in there to reach the actual lighter part for this device. And as you can see, the drink is definitely being infused with smoke. This is exactly what we were looking for. Now that the LED is turned to blue, it is done with its working cycle, and we can go ahead and remove this and try our drink. I'm going to give it a second just to let some of the smoke kind of billow out, and you can see it's kind of just slowly leaving, going into the air. It absolutely has a really strong cherry smell to it, and I'm not going to drink it right now because all the smoke is in there. I'm kind of going to give it a second, and I may even kind of like scoop some of the smoke out with the little spoon. This is a good way to kind of add a little bit of entertainment to your drink and also kind of change the flavor of the drink itself. Now that the smoke has left the drink, I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. It absolutely has the effect I was looking for. I'm really excited to try all the 6 different wood chips to see which ones pair well with which drinks.